Good morning. Hi, people. What happened to the others? Farida, Alpati. Where are you guys? Hi, I sent you a logo to the team today morning. I was not able to download it, so what I did is I took a screenshot. I sent the model. So I think it's a premium account, right? Do you have an account in Canva? Like paid account? So they're showing that it's a premium account and we cannot like
I took the link as anyone with the link can edit.
there's an option to download the picture on the website. Download. But it's okay, I did. For, now it's fine. Let's
Good
see
morning,
now.
ma'am.
Good morning, Barira. It's looking very nice. I like it.
Mhm.
Good
What
morning,
picture?
Alpha team. They did a logo, so it's very nice. Alpha team did one, Haya did one.
My logo? Good morning, ma'am.
You, good morning. Did you do a logo, Barira? You didn't send me a logo.
Oh yeah,
She,
you made it in Canva. I know that one. You made it in cards.
yeah, since I had no room for nothing. Can you share your screen and then go all the way over here? Mine.
Barira, yesterday was the last day to submit the logo. Where were you?
Ma'am, you
Milan,
can't
please
submit
turn on your
logo.
camera.
Ma'am, one sec, today
Wait,
sending.
wait,
I
I
thought
can give
we
you.
just needed to show and that's it. Ma'am, wait, today sending, ma'am, wait, one sec.
I didn't get, I just got from Alfatim and Haya. No one else has sent me the logo.
She put it. I was thinking, why
Good
did she
morning,
put
ma'am.
it there?
Good morning, Laisel.
Teacher, where can I send the logo?
It's usually sent through mail.
Look, ma'am, this is what she did.
Can
She
you
did.
share?
It's kind of plain. It's kind of plain. Like that's kind of plain.
Yeah, because you just added a whole lots of decorations, like too much decorations.
You can just
Yeah,
send it. Let me see whether they will accept it because yesterday was the last day.
I
Ma'am,
know what to
it's
do.
only like one page, ma'am. It's only like one page.
Ma'am, wait. Can you wait? Can you wait? I need to do something to make it much
Ma'am, see,
better.
it's only like one
Haya, it
page.
is Bariras, right?
No, she told me to add addings.
No, 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 no,
Then
bad.
where is the competition, Haya, if you're doing for her?
Bad Haya, bad. Bad Haya.
If you
No,
don't want help from me, okay.
no, bad.
What
Bad
if
girl.
what if hers gets selected and yours don't get selected?
It's okay.
For whom?
If Haya wins.
No, I'm talking the other way around. What if Barira wins and Haya doesn't?
I don't care. I don't care if I win or
Because we are
not.
That,
friends, right?
that's very
I'll
good
join
advice
another
actually.
one.
Milan, have you done a logo?
Yeah, ma'am, just one sec.
You can share it. I don't know whether they'll accept it because yesterday was the last day. I
This
thought, where are you? I don't see it. You haven't sent in the mail. And you guys are calling me at night. What are you doing? Video calling
Should
at
I
the
send
night.
it again?
I got one call from Laser few
I
days
lost my
ago.
connection. It is saying top of me.
I got from Hawa yesterday night.
What? Ma'am, my screen is showing you lost your connection trying to reconnect.
Missed call from Haya.
I didn't do. Wait, from the phone?
It's a email call. Or
Okay, that maybe my mother sent it.
it may be by mistake. It's fine. Milan, where is your work? Can you send it, please? Hurry up. Time is already been like
Should I send it
deadline is
again?
up. No, Alpha viewers I have submitted. You don't have to send. Haya and Alpha I have
But I
submitted.
did some changes.
You can send it, but I don't know whether they will accept it.
Ma'am, can I show you
Does that
something?
sound good? Both of you can send it. I don't
Can
know
I show you
whether they will
something?
accept. What is regarding?
No, can I show you something? Like,
Sure.
Ma'am,
okay, you can
yesterday
see.
was my birthday.
You
That's why
can't
we
see
put a
it.
holiday. You know why? Because so many people were coming and At
Oh,
night,
that's
people
nice.
started to come, so I couldn't attend my class because there was too much noise. Babies. So
So,
there were three babies, one from my side, from my uncle's side, and one from my like auntie's cousins.
so many babies. Oh my God.
Three babies.
Okay, guys, I have something to show you.
All of
Okay.
them are 1 year, but my uncle's side's baby is the 2 years.
Hmm.
All of them were fighting like crazy.
So it was a good day.
And where do I have to send it from? Which class?
Milan, in my mail, in my Gmail, or in my WhatsApp, you can send in any of those. Either you can send an email.
Ma'am, can
I
I
don't
make
have
the
it. I
Zentu
don't
now?
have it.
Yes, Lizel?
Can I make the Zentu one in the break and send you?
You can send it. I don't know whether they will accept it. Let's see. Okay?
I will do it in the break.
Okay. Those are sending today. I don't know whether they will accept it, okay? But still, I will ask them. Sounds good?
Ma'am,
I'll
can
ask
you
them very
send
nicely, like,
Ma'am, can you say the Zentu spelling? I don't know Zentu.
I will put it in the chat box. Does that sound good?
No, because no, because you're Phoenix. You're not.
That is a sports name, Zen.
I know
Sports
that.
name. Okay. I have something for you. I want you guys to see this. Ready?
Yeah.
Do you remember I told you about a Shining Star video? Like Little Shining Star, wheel making competition. I have a demo. Someone made it actually. I'll show you how it is. Just let's take a look. This is the one they made.
Get ready for the most exciting event of the year. Who's that?
Why is it stuck?
Did you get it?
Okay, let's go.
Let's show our spirit! Let's reach levels in it. Go Spirit!
How's it?
That was good.
That was good.
They edited so well.
No, editing, if you send the video, editing will be done by our team as well.
that's good.
Like some editing they did, rest of I think starting, beginning and all our team did. But editing, that editing is good.
Yeah, it's good because
But there's not much. Did you see that? It's like learning and few dialogues.
Check your
I think
Gmail.
this girl's the one who attended the kindness assembly.
Ma'am,
Yes,
check your
Miller?
Gmail. I should send the link here, right?
Yes, you can send it here. There's an option to.
Ma'am, why do you
Send
have
me a link, right? I should
the
send it.
last day one?
Sorry,
Check
Liesel?
here.
Okay, one
Last
second. Liesel, let's attend to Milan first. Yes, Milan, what is
last
it?
Ma'am,
last day you teach us, right?
Yes.
ma'am, I should send
Give
the
me.
link
That
here,
time
right?
you
Milan, what is it? One
Ma'am,
person.
I should
Let's
send
that
the
just
time
link.
give Liesel 1 minute. Okay, 1 minute. Yes,
Ma'am, I
Milan.
should send the link here, right? History is on.
Please send it here. Yes. No, Milan, it's not National Sports Day. It's Zenit 2025. That is our sports day name. So the logo, okay, yes. You can send it there. Send the link there.
These two only.
wait, no,
You have to
share.
make only one. You don't have to make two. We are not taking Canva. We are taking the logo.
Excuse me, Ablasha ma'am. Can I get Milan and Haya?
Yeah, sure. Milan, Aya, go with
Haya
Max
and
to the
Milan, can you
breakout
just
room.
join the breakout room, both of you?
Thank you. Why
Yes, ma'am.
every day high and million?
They have a video to do. That's right.
What do we have to do again?
Haya send it actually to Anna.
Yeah. So
Yes, some changes is there, dear. I will tell you. Okay.
Bye, Haya. Bye, Milan. All the best, people. Enjoy. Till then, I'll attend. No, bye. My mom is here only. Where is mom going? Let them leave first. After then, Milan, that you can send it. Did you send it? Just
and
send
I
it
still have my flowers.
and join the breakout room.
I
One
still
sec, let me
have
copy
we
the
have
link.
club.
We have club. I have mine. Wait, where's mine?
Oh, Joy, ma'am.
I got mine. I have mine.
I still have mine.
Okay, that's good. Today we are going to make another one. But let me just stop the recording because assembly is over, right?
Can you go to